Do I have to have a hardship to short sale? Mike Wrigley, certified default advocate, distressed property expert, and short sale specialist here. Many times we get asked that very question. When short sales first came back onto the scene in early 2007, the lenders, investors, and servicers were certainly looking hard at whether or not the borrower had a bona fide hardship or not, be it job loss, death in the family, divorce, or any other number of hardships, before they would even consider a short sale. Today, the market is very much different, with the only real hardship being that the property is 30, 40, or maybe even 50% or more upside down, with little or no chance of the property ever being worth what you paid for. The investors are looking at one thing and one thing only, and that is, where will I lose the least amount of money? The lender will consider and approve the short sale if the answer is they will lose less on a foreclosure than they will on a short sale. Pure and simple. You see, it's all about the money. It always has been, it always will be. No matter how much the government gets involved and tries to influence the servicers and the big banks, they are still private, for-profit companies whose only responsibility is to the board of directors and the shareholders. They're not owned by the government. Their job is to make a profit. Short sale, foreclosure, first loss is best loss. What is going to work out best for my shareholders? Period. So to answer the question outright, the only hardship you really have to have is that you owe more than what your home is worth, and you've decided to no longer live there. Period. I can tell you of numerous cases where we have helped good families with good jobs and plenty of income to continue to make the payments successfully. We've helped them complete a short sale, walk away from the unpaid balance with no obligations to repay that unpaid balance, and avoid paying income taxes on the forgiven debt. It's that simple. If you owe more than your home is worth, that is your hardship. Everything else is just helps strengthen the case. For information on your particular case, call me today for a free, no obligation consultation. Call me today, sleep better tonight. You'll be glad you did, and thanks for joining us.